Today we're taking a look at Ethereum's ETH coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ETH go in the near future. Let's get into it. I've partnered with Crypto.com to provide my viewers with an awesome opportunity to accelerate their crypto journey. Crypto.com is used by over 50 million users in 90 countries across the globe and is a leading platform for buying, selling and staking crypto. They also offer metal Visa cards with a huge range of rewards that allow you to convert and withdraw your crypto in fiat currency. Crypto.com is offering a $25 sign up reward using my affiliate link in the description or by entering affiliate code RyanProven. Welcome back into the Ethereum chart, guys, and as you can see, things have played out as we expected in our last video. We have unfortunately had that cross of the 20-day moving average down below the 50-day moving average, but we have increased in value, which is beautiful because it shows our long-term trend line is holding up. We're sitting at a value now of $1,625 per Ethereum. There was a test on the 7th of September on the bottom end of our chart, as you can see there. That was sort of the start of the Ethereum merger actually occurring. It finishes up, I believe, about the 15th of September, so stay tuned. The 15th is before we hit this critical point. It is, I suspect, right about here. So what I'm expecting to see is we're going to get a break up or a breakdown prior to that point. And by the point, I mean this point here. So it's going to happen on the 15th, slightly after, but we're not going to reach, I suppose, much further. It is getting tight at the moment, so we do expect to see a move, and we do want to see a move. Now, in my last video, if obviously the market receives it as a positive piece of news, which they absolutely should, this is the short-term target. That is the 2030 mark, as I've marked in blue up there. So hopefully what you'll start to see is a bit of an increase in green trading volume down there. Overall, we break this overall long-term downtrending channel and we continue to move in that upwards direction as we have seen for the past couple of months. Let's have a quick look at the RSI. What is that showing us at the moment? Well, we have risen and it is sitting at a value of 51.01, but it's smack bang in the middle. There's plenty of room for that sort of a breakout to actually occur, which is obviously going to work in our favor moving forward. Now, secondly, let's have a look at the MACD. In the MACD, we have actually just seen a cross of that 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA. This is a positive sign, and what I'm expecting to see now is a continuation of this little upwards trend back straight to the top end of this line to test, as I mentioned, within the coming days. This is a big technical factor that will contribute, and as I mentioned, we're looking for a convincing cross. That's a pretty convincing cross to me. The buying volume really just needs to come in to actually support that momentum now moving forward, but things are looking positive from that perspective. People may possibly just be holding off due to the fact they don't know what's going to happen with the Ethereum merger coming up, but I do suspect people will start to get excited very, very shortly, and that has really been probably the reason for the rise down from all the way over here in the middle of June. Let's have a look at the Bollinger Bands. I expect things are getting tighter. And as you can see, the bands right now are very, very tight. This means we are primed for once again another breakout. The consolidation has been occurring and we should hopefully break in the direction of the trend we're currently in, which is our short-term trend upwards. Obviously long-term is low, but positive news coming means it should be a breach and a break up of that downwards trending line. Hopefully, fingers crossed for Ethereum holders out there. So what is the overall prediction for Ethereum? Well, I think quite simply the 20-day moving average is going to swoop up if we do get some price action and cross back above the 50-day moving average. We are going to see hopefully a breach within the coming week of this top line, at least a test, but a breach would be ideal. And if we do, the target still remains in place of $2,030 roughly. Buying momentum is really going to be what's driving this, obviously, and we need to understand what the impact of the Ethereum merger is going to have. I'm relatively bullish on this because it's been hyped up and talked about for so many years now that I can't see why people would not want this to occur. It's going to be a significantly better environment for everyone as a result. So, prediction, 2030 in the short term. That wraps up today's analysis of Ethereum's ETH coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.